Hello and welcome. If you ever wondered how you can create great looking logos and to make it as simple as possible, well, I will just show you this. You can use one or two apps that I'm going to show you today to create these logos. One of them is the Lanchaco AI logo creator, which is free, a free online tool, and you will access this page that you see now by clicking on the link below our video. So don't be confused, Lanchaco joined forces with Namecheap. So once you create the logo and once you click here, you will go to the Namecheap page, and it's the same app, so all good there. And let's start. So this is the first thing. You need to put your company name here, and this is what will actually appear on the logo besides an icon or something like that. So let's put here, we will create one for a baby shop. Okay, so baby store, let's put that. Okay, like really simple. And then we can also fill this in, so baby shop. And then let's do this one. Okay, now you pick different kinds of fonts that you would like for your store. Let's do this. Let's do this. Why not this? Then this is good. This is good. Okay. And then you can pick some of your favorite colors. Keep in mind that you can customize all of these things later on. This is just to give you a few examples, not just actually a lot more. So let's go with this one. Okay, and then if you have a slogan, you can put it here also. So let's continue. Now we are able to pick different kinds of icons, and we will search for a specific one. Let's go for baby shop. Let's see what we end up with. Let's search again. So we can use this, but it's a bit maybe too detailed. Let's go for baby. Okay, this is not bad. Can use that. This is also okay. Yeah, try sometimes this gets stuck. Okay, so try to search 2 times, because then this scroll will continue. Okay, and you will get more results. Let's wait a bit. Press 1 second. Okay, so we are getting more results. I just selected this one. Keep in mind the selected are here, and you can uncheck these if you find something better, like this one. Let's go for this one. This is great. Okay, so we picked 3. We can continue. And now we get a lot of different suggestions on what our logo can look like. Okay, I would suggest it depends actually on your website and the space that your logo will occupy. Usually go for these, like an icon and then followed by a text, because these are smaller in height. And then you can also try, also depends on the color of your background on the website. We will make our logo now transparent. Actually, the background will be transparent. So you can pick any of these, but I will go for something like this, but I want this face on the left side, and I think we will have a chance for that. Yeah, something like this. Okay, this is great. So you just go here, edit. Of course, if you go through this list, this complete list here, it's going to generate more of these, and you can actually click on to create like a list of favorites. You can click on these hearts here, okay, in the top right corner of these, and these will then be saved. As you can see here, it says mine saved 20 from previous occasions. So let's go here, let's edit this one. Now we will use this, go into color, and then you can pick here different kinds of versions of this logo, like in terms of color, or you can customize it completely. So we want our background, let's click here, we want our background to be transparent. In this case, as there is no picker here, to set the background to be transparent, we will use a code. I will just copy paste this. We go here, okay, select this and then paste this. What I just pasted, let me show you. RGBA and then these zeros, okay, here. So you just need to put it in this order and you just hit enter. It's already actually applied. As you can see, it has been saved, and this is like a transparent background, and we can change these also. So if we go here into font, you can add additional, if you want a gradient color, you can add additional color here and then pick a different one. As you can see, it can be like something like this. It's like a golden thing. And then icon can also be gradient, but we don't want a gradient. We don't want a gradient now. Let's put just a uniform one and let it be. Let's see how this goes. No. Yeah, maybe this is not bad. I mean, it depends on what you are aiming for. Let's see what yellow does. Well, we can do it like this, okay? And you just save here, and then you close this one, and then of course you can change the text if you don't like it, okay? So you can go like this or this. So all of these can be changed, okay? Let's go for this, okay? And then of course if you have a slogan, then you can put it here, change it. Then also the icons, you can change the icons here. You can change the layout, but as I said, you just need to test on your website and see what works best, okay? And then once you're done, you just go here, download. Don't mind this, okay? This is just a commercial. So just go here, download, and your files will be downloaded onto your computer in a zip file. And this zip file actually contains vector images and PNG, okay, bitmap images. So you will be able to use all these different ones for different purposes. For now we will use the cover one because of the ratio here that you guys see, okay? So now we will unzip these, or we can actually just drag this cover one. I just dragged it to my desktop and I can close this. And now the next step, okay? So we finished our logo and now we go to this great online and free app. It's called Photopea. I think I'm pronouncing it right. So it's photopea.com, and you can do all different kinds of things in this photo editor. I'm just going to open up the one that we just did. Okay, this is it, baby store. As you can see here, the background is transparent, which we wanted, and also we can do different kinds of actions here. The one that I would like to do now is actually the crop feature. So I want to crop this, since I don't need too much space of this transparent background. And I'm just going to click here, okay, and that's it. And now let's go File and then Export as PNG, and this is all good, and it's saved, as you can see here. Okay, so you can do all different kinds of things here. There are different kinds of features, somewhat similar to Photoshop, okay? So you can make your icon look better. You can even, if you go here, image, you can resize the image size, the canvas size, you can transform it, you can vectorize this bitmap, okay? Or you can import that vector that you got saved in the zip file from the logo site, okay? So you can do all different kinds of edits here, okay? This one is just enough for our example, okay? And then if we are talking about implementing this, importing this logo onto our wholesale robot store, for example, like this one, as you can see, this is the logo I created previously on this website, okay? And then we are going to change this logo now. So we would go into our dashboard. Let me just quickly refresh this page, okay? And we will go here. So we want to upload our logo, journal, skins, then we go to the default here, then we go to header, as you can see here, then we just erase these previous ones, and then we just go here, and then here upload, and then pick, okay, this is the cover, the cropped one, okay, great, and it turned out here, okay, great, this looks good. And then let's go one more time for this Retina logo, and now we just need to click here on the green, save, it's working, okay, saved, great. And then we just need to change the footer one, so you would go journal, and then go modules, then go blocks, then go logo block footer, then go new block here, and then as you can see it's here. We just erase this one and select this one, and then go again here, green one, save, saved, that's all good. Now we can refresh our page, or actually let's try to refresh. If not, then we are going to clear our cache. Yeah, we need to clear it. Okay, so you go here into system, then you go into settings, no, sorry, tools, just one moment. So tools, Nitro Pack. Whenever you are doing some changes on your website, it will be good to clear the cache, and you can see here clear cache, and then we can clear all, so you don't have to worry what you have been editing. Okay, we should get a message that our cache has been cleared. Great, success. Then we go to our website. Let's refresh this page. Let me close this. Okay, it takes a while. I think my ISP is the reason. Okay, as you can see here, this is our new logo in the header, and it looks good, and here in the footer. Okay, so just keep in mind this. Let me show you this. So not this, but this. Okay, so the code for the transparent background, if you don't pick the logo that has already a transparent background in the logo creator app, okay, you can use this code and paste it there, or just keep in mind, not all